What's up, y'all? It's Mariah Lisa and I'm back with another banger. Today I'm going to be reviewing for the third time in a row another braided wig. I got this off of Amazon. It's by Sensational. They make a lot of stretched braiding hair and kinky hair twist for twist. This is the packaging. It came in, unfortunately it came with nothing but the wig, no lashes, no beads, no nothing like that. So it is lacking in that department, but we will see my thoughts on it and how we can wear it. You can already see the wig from here. So if you are new, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe for good vibes and hit that post notification bell if you have not already so you can be notified for every single banger I post. All right, let's get into the video.
Alright y'all, let's go ahead and check out this wig. So right off the bat, I'm pretty impressed with the parting and the lace color, pretty transparent. I can see that I might be able to throw in a side part, but I do see that the wefts do come up kind of high and there's probably 2 to 3 inches of parting space. It comes with the adjustable elastic band for a nice tight fit on your head, as well as the clips in the front of the wig to make sure it's secure. I'm getting a good feeling about this wig. If you've seen my other wig reviews, you know I'm always talking about how small my head is, but with the clips and the adjustable elastic band, this wig is definitely fitting snug on my head. Honestly, first impressions, it's a bit bulky. I tried to comb it to the side, but I'm not really loving it because there are a lot of braids on this wig and it's just kind of feeling bulky.
Like, is this cute? There are a lot of braids on this wig, but I can't say I don't like it. All right, let me cut the lace and see how we really feel about it. All right, let's go ahead and inspect the wig. As I was showing you, this is like not an ear-to-ear closure. I guess the closure is 1 inch at the top, but the wefts do come in super early, and it does give you about 2 inches of parting space side to side, so you can have a small side part, but this is definitely a middle part wig. Now the back of the wig, as you can see, it's the standard tracks. So not as much wiggle room as the last knotless braided wig that I had. All right, so this is it at first glance. I have not done anything but cut the lace off. My wig cap is just super bomb, and it's blending very well. And of course they left out a ton of baby hairs. So this is a bob style wig, basically asymmetrical because the braids are super short in the back and then it slants longer to the front. So this is an asymmetrical braided wig. But one thing I do want to show, if I can, do you see this? This little string here attaches the braids to the wig, and honestly, I typically pull them off because I feel like it makes the wig unnatural when the braids are stuck to the wefts in the back. If I wanted to do a side part, this is as good as it's gonna get. See, the wefts come up pretty high, as I was saying. So for my own sake, I will probably just wear it this way. Okay, so these braids are super chunky and the wig kind of looks like a mop on my head right now. So let me see what we can do to loosen these braids up. I did see on the package, it does say for maintenance purposes, hot water set, that you should dip the wig in boiling water and swish it around, rinse it thoroughly to get it to loosen it up. So I think I might try that and see how this works. Okay, so I did boil some water to get the wig wet. It did help loosen it up a little bit and give it a little crinkle at the bottom, but I mean, in general, I just think the wig is bulky as crap. I still can't really Now I just feel like there's no bump at the end. So now I'm looking like a mop head even more. It's a little better. So the parting is really nice, very clean. The transparency of the lace is okay. But just there are too many braids on this wig. You know, I'm having trouble making this a thing. And I think it's just too many braids on the top of the wig. So, like I was trying to do a headband, a hair tie, but it was just making it look even bulkier in the front. So I gotta use a clip. I don't love this wig. I got it off of Amazon. I'll link everything, all the information for the wig in the description box below. But I don't know if this is a wig that I would recommend anybody really invest into unless you can really finesse this. Like, unless you like the bulky looking braids or the bulky overall look, then it's fine. But yeah, I don't know. What I do like is that, like I said, that 1-inch lace, it does go ear to ear. I don't think I'm even gonna try to customize this one. I don't think it's worth it. I do like the wispy hair. I do like the wispy look of this, so I think I'll leave it how it is. And again, I didn't even have to add the lace tinter on it because my wig cap is bomb and the lace is pretty transparent. So sorry to disappoint that this is not a 10 out of 10, but it's still a pretty decent braided wig for the price that it is. Off of my favorite place in the world, Amazon. Maybe I can bring this wig out again in the fall and try to finesse it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see y'all in the next one.